You see this? We want this. We love this. We need this. But this, yeah, we don't need this.
If you're still using super glue to repair things around the house, then keep watching because this is a game changer. This liquid plastic bonding kit will fix just about anything. The liquid only hardens when you expose it to the UV light for 4 seconds. It becomes permanent and it's super strong. Watch how easy it is to fix this broken mug. All you have to do is apply it, then cure it with the UV. This also works on broken jewelry, glasses, cables, and toys. This is your solution to fix anything that normal glue can't.
Amazon Favorites, Part 34. This is the tile starter pack that helps me locate my missing keys, phone,
Things you didn't know you needed off of Amazon. This is Nicholas's new favorite toy. It's a motorized paper airplane kit that can be controlled by your smartphone. It has a crash-resistant design that can go up to 180 feet in flight, and it uses Bluetooth, which connects to the controller on your phone, where you can control the direction by steering the airplane and increase or decrease the throttle to ascend or descend the plane. The kit comes with 4 sheets of special paper with multiple airplane design possibilities depending on your preferences in speed, maneuverability, and flight time.
Our favorite Amazon finds, part 92. If you're getting headaches from staring at screens, this product is for you. Look how much blue light goes through these normal glasses, and now check out the difference with the blue light blocking ones. No blue light goes through at all. Livo has many different colors and styles available of these blue light glasses for $20 or less.
If you own a car, then stop scrolling because you absolutely need this product in your life. This is called the Halo Bolt. I got it off Amazon, and I'm telling you, this is the most powerful charger. Not only that, it is a jump start for your car that you can do by yourself with no help needed. I've had a few near-death experiences with my car dying on the side of the road, so this could have come in really handy if I had it, and I love that it's so easy to use. If I can do it, anyone can do it. Another cool feature is that it has an outlet, so you can charge your phones, or better yet, if you're camping, you can get out your toaster, throw in some Pop-Tarts. Really, the possibilities are endless. And lastly, it has a built-in flashlight. The reviews say this thing lasts forever. It's such a good investment, and it's under $100.
On products you need or don't, part 129 of 365.
Hey, anyone else with this issue? Your mask constantly slides down and you have to fix it several times a day? Or this problem, when your glasses are quick to fog up when you do put on a mask? Introducing Mask Tight that solves both problems at once. The package comes with 36 medical grade double-sided tape strips that you easily apply to your mask. And you now have no more slipping masks and no more foggy glasses. Mask Tight also works in your cloth masks and N95 masks as well.
So is this something you need or don't need?
Gift ideas for the holidays. First is this back and neck massager. It even has the option to make it heated, and it has a spot to rest your arms. I gave this to my husband last year for Christmas, and he and I both love it. Next is this Sonos sound system for your TV. The sound quality is amazing. They no longer make our exact version, but you can't go wrong with any of their speakers. And lastly is this weighted blanket. It comes in various sizes, weights, and colors. The cover also has multiple attachment points to the blanket, which keeps it all in place and the weight distributed evenly. Gift ideas under $30. This is insulated tumbler. It keeps your drink warm or cold for a really long time, and they come in a bunch of different colors and patterns too. And lastly, these memory foam fluffy house slippers. They keep my feet super warm, and they're incredibly soft and comfortable.
Christmas gadgets you need from Amazon. The sparkly gold star for your Christmas tree actually has a built-in light projector. Clip it to the top of your Christmas tree. When you plug it in, pretty gold stars will appear on your ceiling. I especially love the way it looks at night when our Christmas tree is lit. Gadgets you didn't know you needed, gift edition. These BrewMate can coolers are an absolute must-have. They keep your drinks ice cold for hours without any condensation. They also come in different sizes to fit different cans. This one is perfect for slim 12-ounce cans, and this one fits regular 12-ounce cans perfectly. This one actually comes with a separate lid, so you can pour your drink inside and it doubles as a tumbler.
Random things I found on Amazon part... I actually don't know. But check out this cool portable laptop stand. And this one's for anyone who slouches and doesn't have a standing desk. Basically, I'm really good at slouching, and I didn't want to drop hundreds on a standing desk converter. And that's how I found this collapsible stand on Amazon that lets me turn pretty much any flat surface into a standing desk. I'm surprised at how well it actually works. Like, it's obviously lightweight and portable, but also really stable and sturdy. So I've actually started using it more when I'm sitting in bed too. Lastly, I'm just a huge sucker for things that are collapsible and sleek. Like, look at that. I'll put the link in my bio.
You see this? We want this. We love this. We need this. But this, yeah, we don't need this.
Gadgets you may or may not need. This smart switch button pusher works so well. It allows you to turn on a light right from your phone. You just download the app and connect it through the Bluetooth. It can also be used as an automatic timer. We tried it on our coffee pot to brew. It didn't work at first because the button area wasn't flat, but we used the extra command strip and got it going.
The cutest Amazon gadget you need. I honestly needed this back when I was 16, but I still think it's the coolest thing. You can instantly print out mini Polaroid pictures straight from your phone. There's a bunch of different collages. You can add text to your photos, draw on them. You can upload your drawings to use as an overlay on your photos. You can easily add filters, adjust, and crop your pictures, and then you just push the button and it instantly prints out. I personally like this better than the Polaroid cameras just because you have so much more control over the photos that you print. And you can print as many as you want from your camera roll. It's so cute, would make the perfect gift, and it comes in a few different cute colors.
Stuff you actually need, part 68. This is my ice cream scoop that I found on Amazon, and it's literally the best ice cream scoop that you can buy. It uses heat transfer technology to take the heat from your hand and make it super easy to cut through frozen ice cream. It just doesn't get any better than this.
This water bottle is a game changer. What I like about it is that it keeps your drink hot or cold for up to 24 hours. It comes with a cleaning brush and also a tea infuser. What's awesome about this water bottle is that it's BPA free, double insulated, and made of medical grade steel. The lid has an LED display to show you the temperature of your drink. All this for only $13. And this is why awesome tech must-haves you didn't know you needed. Check out the world's smallest UV sterilizer. It lets you disinfect personal items on the go. It kills 99.9% of germs in just a few minutes. It's portable, super compact, and powered by your phone. I use it on items that I frequently touch and it gives me peace of mind. I take this wherever I go and it would make a great gift idea.
Amazon Kitchen Must-Haves Part 1. Cooking burns suck, so I picked up these oven rack shields since I'm going to be baking a lot more around this time of the year. They come in a pack of 4 and can heat up to 445 degrees. These little blue apples have literally saved me so much money and less food waste. It keeps your produce fresher longer by absorbing ethylene gas, which actually causes your veggies and fruits to over-ripen. Each packet will last 3 months and it comes with a year's supply.
Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be suspicious.
Stuff you actually need, part 65. Okay, so this is my essential face mask case that I found on Amazon, and it's just the best way to store your mask when you aren't wearing it. All you have to do is open it up, throw your mask in there, and then you get that tight silicone seal while you store it inside. It's just way cleaner than just throwing it around in your car. It's easy to use, and it comes in a bunch of different colors. It's the best thing I've ever seen for keeping something that's supposed to keep us sanitary.
The perfect tool for your kitchen. This spatula is going to make your life a whole lot easier. You can chop, stir, scoop, and drain with just one tool. It's really easy to use, and the shark fin design is my favorite feature. It lets you mince meat, vegetables, and scramble eggs much faster than a normal spatula. It's BPA free, made of silicone and nylon that won't scratch up your pans. The high quality design can withstand temperatures of up to 600 degrees. Cleanup is a breeze, just wash with soap and water. And that's why you should pick up.
Okay, if you're asking if it was a necessary purchase, I don't really have an answer for you, buddy. But if you're asking if I think everybody on this planet just needs one of them, answer's a little obvious.
Things you didn't know you needed off of Amazon. Y'all, these magnetic twisty ties are actually insane. Each cable is made up of 2 magnets and a silicone band to keep all of your cords and cables tangle-free and easy to find. And if you're wondering how strong these magnets are, this one band can hold our broom off of the ground. And lastly, for larger objects, you can tie 2 or more of the cables together to make it even longer and more secure. How crazy.
Our favorite Amazon finds, part 91. If you're worried about sweating through your clothes at the most important moments, this product is for you. It's called the Sweat Block, and it's an antiperspirant wipe. Just apply at night before bed, and it will protect you from sweating for up to 7 days. The product is also doctor created and recommended.